Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home page of Instagram. To the rightmost bottom you'll be having your profile icon. Just click that, and to the rightmost top you'll be having the 3 lines icon. Just click that, and here you'll be having the Accounts Center option. Select it, and you'll be having the Personal Details option under Account Settings. Click that, and here select Account Ownership and Control, and select Deactivation or Deletion, and just select your Instagram account. And here we will be provided with two options. One is deactivating account and another one is deleting the account. The difference is simple. If you deactivate your account, it is temporary and you can recover your account back. But if you delete your account, it is permanent, and once you delete your account, you cannot recover your account back. So think twice before doing anything. In my case, I just want to delete it, so I will just click on the delete checkbox and click on continue. And here you need to give a reason why you want to delete. You can just select your reason and just click on continue, and just enter your Instagram password, and after that just click on continue, and you can just click on delete account, and that's it. You'll be taken to the login screen again. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.